Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to bypass Microsoft sign-in in Windows 11 or install Windows 11 without Microsoft account. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to Geeker Mag. During the installation, when you reach this screen, we need to apply a quick workaround. For that, press Shift plus F10 key on the keyboard at the same time. This will bring the command prompt window. Here you need to type this command start space ms-cxh colon local only and I will add the command in the description as well. This command actually bypasses the standard out of the box experience or sign in with Microsoft screen. Now hit enter. Instantly you will see create a user for this PC window. Simply fill the details like here enter the username, enter the password to login, confirm it. If you don't want to set the password, leave it blank. Now scroll down and fill security questions. Once done, click next. This will directly set up the windows. And show you the privacy settings. Make the changes as per your needs and you will reach the Windows 11 home screen. I performed this on PC running Windows 11 25H2 and confirmed that this trick works on the same version of Windows 11 as well. Why don't you give it a try and let me know in the comments if this worked for you or not. If you have any query related to the video, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.